Hi all, I just want to talk about this week's work that's due. And so on Monday, what will happen, that's today, you are going to submit your final long research paper. We've talked about it. You can review previous documents. It's the same old. Please download this into a Word document and submit it. Not in the submission text form. It's too difficult. I can't grade it and give you feedback on it. So please do that. You can remember the structures right here, and then the student samples right here as well. So go ahead and do that. And then for my apologies, for Wednesday's work, you have to submit the rough draft of your argumentative essay. And then I will give you feedback. Hi guys, I just want to talk to you about this week's work. So for this week, today you are going to submit the final copy of your long research paper. We've talked about it, I've given you feedback, and you can remember the structure and the student sample here. For Wednesday's work, I'd like for you to submit the rough draft. I'm sorry, it's hard to get back there sometimes. The rough draft copy of your argumentative essay. And then for Friday, I want you just to work, and then we will go on to the next week, which will be our last week. I definitely will work with you, but by next Friday, everything needs to be completed. So on Monday, you'll complete the argumentative essay. I'll have a survey for you to take, and everything needs to be done by next Friday so that I can calculate your grades. But I am so willing to help you. By May 1st, which is this Friday, you need to have decided what your option for the course will be. If you need anything, always reach out to me via a text or phone or email. Thanks. Bye-bye.